Alright guys, about to get started. Got some nice stuff out here. What that paint job different, what? Box truck. I love the box trucks. It's custom. That bed on it. That sucker look good there, boy. It's a Chevy. Damn, that sucker look good, boy. What y'all know about that? Got a whole fleet. Got the whole fleet out here, guys. Some nice trucks, man. Damn. Yes, sir. I like this right here. This right here. It's a Chevrolet, old school. Yeah, you can see they trying to put some work in on that. I would love to see this project here when they get done with it. Yeah, that's a nice project. Got another truck right here. Yeah, they brought the classes out, man. The Mastercraft tires on there. Big boy Mastercraft. I like that orange. Yeah, I like that orange, man. Sucker, that nice. So they get ready to start the little show. You got people's pulling up. We got one way back there in the back. Out and back there in the back. Yes, sir. Classic cars, baby. Classic cars. Stay tuned, stay locked in, man. Don't forget I'm performing live tomorrow. 107.3. Foxy. iHeartRadio. Come out and do my thing just like this setup right here.